Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. IOQM 2026 is 4 months away. ये जो बैच है IOQM 2026 वीकडे बैच is specifically designed for the students who are going to some coaching for either JEE or foundation or for some other thing, extracurricular activities and cannot attend our usual evening batches. A lot of students write to us that they will not be able to attend the classes at 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. whenever we have our usual classes. तो ये जो बैच है ये स्पेसिफिकली IOQM को टारगेट करने वाला है and it is going to, the classes are going to be at in the night, that is 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturday. The batch is going to start from 24th of May and we are going to teach everything related to IOQM. So this batch is going to be specifically about IOQM, the kind of problems that they have been asking, कौन कौन से सब टॉपिक्स उन्होंने टच किए हैं नंबर थ्योरी में, ज्योमेट्री में, कॉम्बिनेटिक्स में, अलजेब्रा में. We will be covering each and everything in those 45 sessions. Plus, there will be a revision round at the end later. Apart from this, there will also be additional NMTC classes. So NMTC, but jo students who are going to write NMTC, it's a school-based exam. So we will be also giving you additional support for NMTC, and of course, the written video solutions, test solutions are going to be a part of this particular batch. This is going to be taken by Anirudh sir, and the classes, the language is going to be English. Again, a common for all the students from 8 to 10th, 8 to 12th. It will be better अगर तुमने 10th class का syllabus complete कर लिया, then it is going to be really helpful, and because ultimately we are going to target IOQM. So उसके लिए सबसे basic जो चीज है, that is 8, 9, 10th NCERT marks. So if you've completed that, this batch is going to be perfect, which is going to raise your problem solving abilities to next level and also going to help you crack IOQM with amazing marks, irrespective of your region. Okay, so about this batch, so we are going to cover each and everything. As I mentioned, the idea is कि जो जैसे तरह के questions IOQM में आए हुए हैं पिछले 5 सालों के अंदर, we have tracked down those sub topics and will be doubling down, zeroing down on those topics in particular. So we are going to cover basic mathematics, number theory, all the important things, all the important ideas, all the important subtopics will be covering in number theory. Algebra, again, we will be covering all the important things which are also going to later help you in your JEE preparation. Combinatorics, apart from the usual permutation combination, will be also be talking about recurrence relations, objects and circles, and the entire geometry. Geometry is something which is very important, and geometry is the one of the topics which gives you an edge, because geometry पूरे इंडिया का बहुत weak होता है. So it comes kind of gives you an edge, and if you are able to improve your geometry, then you are able to visualize and observe things very quickly, right? So this is what is going to happen in this particular batch, and the batch price is going to be 10,999 rupees. And if you choose the combo offer, which is IOQM Weekday plus this book, that is VOS IOQM book, then of course you'll get it for 11,499 rupees. The links are there in the description box. If there are any questions related to this batch, you can always ask me on my Telegram, on my Telegram ID. And also there is a Google query form which is there in the description. You can always fill that, and our team is going to get in touch with you and are going to resolve your doubt. Take care, God bless you, and wishing you all the best. Bye everyone.